The new Arizer Solo 3 is a powerhouse of a vaporizer, and in this video, we'll tear it down to see what's inside and how it works. Okay, so this is the Solo 3 without the housing. These are the buttons and the screen. I removed the bottom electronic board, and the batteries are in the back. The chamber's on top, and the heating element is in here. It looks kind of cool with the glass inserted, but I'll resist the temptation to do a session given its current state. Okay, and here's what we're left with. A board and a chamber.